Hey loves, it's your girl MissRessaT, and I'm here to do a grocery haul video. I know that's something you haven't seen from me in quite some time, but if you're following me on my vlog channel, you will know that I am back on my weight loss journey, finally, and it's been going good so far. I will eventually do an update video to weigh in and talk about everything, but I just wanted to go ahead and show you this because this is, I haven't bought this amount of groceries I've been buying here and there, but I was able to buy a little bit more this time. So I just wanted to show you what I've been buying for my weight loss journey. So I hope this video is beneficial to you. I hope you enjoy it, and you are more than welcome to leave your comments down below. Please know I am not a dietitian or anything. Just know that I've done this before, and I know how to lose weight and still eat good things. And yeah, that's all for disclaimer, because y'all know people be wanting to tell you everything. But if you down here to tell me something positive, then I am here to hear it. So until the next video, my next update, it's been your girl MissRessaT. Don't forget to live, learn, don't forget to live, learn, record this year, y'all. I'm not editing that. Smooches. All right, we got some grapes. I got these mostly to put in. I started putting these in my smoothie, like one or two of them, and they like, not one or two, but two or three of them, and they are extremely good in smoothies. So I picked up these grapes, and I probably will snack on a few. Picked up 2 avocados. I've been doing guacamole with my breakfast, but I don't like Walmart's guacamole. I prefer Aldi, so I just got avocados to try that instead. I got 2 bags of the market size Caesar salad kits. I got one of these mini ones here, the Santa Fe style salad. That's going to be dinner tonight. I just picked up some ranch sunflower seeds to snack on. I have these Oikos, whatever how you say them, yogurt. These are the 000 ones with the 15 grams of protein. So yeah, I put one in my smoothies. I got a bag of these red potatoes. I know it's carbs, but I've been craving a little bit of potatoes, so I'm gonna do like one with breakfast. Got some shredded cheese for whatever. 18-pack of eggs. We have Simply Orange with pineapple for my smoothies. I got this sparkling water in the strawberry flavor. I bought one last week, and it really came in handy when I was craving a soda. I was able to just pour a glass of that, and it made me feel a lot better. Got 2 of these boxes of pink lemonades. I like this brand, Wild is Right. I like the pink lemonade and the strawberry lemonade and their plain lemonade for my waters. I have from Bullhorse Farms the strawberry banana smoothie. And I also picked up this blending coffee one. I've never tried it before, but I figured I'd try it out because if you know me, you know I love coffee. So then we have some whole strawberries to go with my smoothies. I do already have some stuff already on me, so if it looks like only a little bit of stuff, I do already have more fruit and things and some more fish on me. So I just picked up this small bag of salmon. I plan on doing teriyaki salmon with that. There is a video already on my channel, I believe. With that, if you're interested in that recipe, I picked up this bag of medium raw shrimp. And I picked up these beef smoked sausage, which I most likely will eat with the shrimp. I picked up a bag of chopped spinach, and that will be, I like to use frozen spinach for my smoothies. Green beans as one of my sides. I already have some broccoli on me. Bacon for breakfast. I picked some boneless pork chops. And last but not least, some breakfast sausage. So that is my haul here. All the stuff I got from Walmart. I normally don't buy my meats from Walmart, but I was limited to the time and I had to just get everything from here. So this bill came up to $70 on the dot. If I feel like if I had got my meats elsewhere, then this probably would be a normal $50 grocery haul for me. So yeah, this is my grocery haul.